welcome to my Christmas open house of 2020. So we have lots of things in our open house here. Some are things that we've had, products that we've had forever. They're the classic products that people like to give for Christmas. And then we also have some new products also. So I'd like to start off with a classic product, which is our Satin Hand Set. And as you can tell, it has the softener that you use first, and then the scrub, and then the Shea Hands Cream. And this is just a great product for anybody, especially that person that has everything, because this year we have been washing our hands like crazy. So our hands are dry and cracked, and this would be a welcome relief to anyone on your list. And when I tell people I sell Mary Kay, they usually ask me about satin hands, and they also ask me about our pink oil-free eye makeup remover. Those are the two things that people are always like, hey, do you have that? And so those are just our classic products that people love. So also what we have here are our men's colognes, and we also do have women's colognes. We have like 5 different women's colognes, and we have a new one that came out this year called Illuminea, and it smells fantastic. And we actually have a body souffle with Illuminea, the Illuminea scent in it also. It looks like this. So, and it smells amazing. So it's got a nice rich smell to it. And we also have another body mousse here in our satin body collection. And this is a lighter, more spa scent. It's our white tea and citrus scent, and I have been demoing out of this, taking some out and letting people try it out at my vendor shows. So that's why it looks so bad, but it actually looks like this inside. So when you get it brand new. Okay, so this is again like a new fragrance for this Christmas, but we have a bunch of other fragrances also for women. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you talking about fragrances is our body wash for men. This is a limited Christmas item. It comes in this black mesh bag, and the 2 scents in there are High Intensity Ocean, which is my favorite men's cologne in Mary Kay, and also True Original. So both of these come in here for gift giving this year. And I do have supplies, my own supplies of all of these. If you go on my website, they might not show up because the manufacturing plant in our area is already sold out of a lot of our Christmas items, but everything I'm showing you, I have or I can get, okay? So I wanna let you know that. And then we also have, again, our men's cologne. This is our high intensity cologne, just like the body wash. And then our True Original cologne also, just like in the body wash. And then we have our men's skincare set here, which I put into some nice slippers. And so our men's skincare set is awesome. It actually is for men's faces. Men's faces are oilier than ours, especially when they get older. So they have a different pH in their skin. And so our MK for men actually addresses that issue, okay? So if your guy is struggling with oiliness in his face, then the MK line is a great line for him. It has shaving cream, it even has an eye cream, a moisturizer with sunscreen, and a face wash. Okay, so next I will go to just specifically our Christmas, limited edition Christmas items. And the first thing I want to show you is this little Christmas ornament. It has little tiny mini blending sponges in there that are great for around your eye area, around your nose, just for those really small parts of your face that it's hard to get a big sponge around. So these are great. You can give it to somebody like this as an ornament, or you could even break it up and put like 1 sponge per gift. So this is a great gift giving idea, and I do have some of those. And then also, we have our Mint Bliss again this year with our socks. We had this also last year, but our socks were different. So our Mint Bliss lotion is for your feet and legs, and it has menthol in there. And so it just feels really good on tired feet. So anybody that you know that is on their feet all day would love this. It's at a great price point. So if you need something that, you know, you need several of, like for teacher gifts or something like this, this is a great idea because the price point is fantastic. Another gift for Christmas is our lotion and lip balm sets here. And I just have several of them out because I usually let people smell them when I'm at my shows and stuff. But you have the lotion, you have the lip balm, and each of these packages has, you know, a lotion and lip balm in them. So I can wrap them for you, or I can just give you the box and you can wrap them as you wish. So we have 3 different scents. We have Berry Parfait, Coconut Mousse, and then the Citrus Sorbet. And I will say the Coconut Mousse has been the favorite so far at all my vendor shows. People really like that one. Okay, and then another specific Christmas gift is our little mini blending, actually our little mini makeup brushes. They're pink, they're really cute. Come in this really cute little bag that you can stick in your purse or give to a teenager or a preteen. They're just really, really sweet brushes here. And they would be great paired with your mini blending sponge set. And then one of my favorite gifts in our Christmas lineup here is our Mad About masking set. I know you've heard me talk about this before, but this is just so fun. And this one has 4 different types of masks. They have quite a bit of masks in them, just depending on how heavy you put your mask on. But you could probably get, I know for sure, 1 mask, possibly 2 masks out of each of these pods. And again, it's something like where you could, you know, give this whole thing to someone, or you could break the set up and give one, you know, per grandchild or something like that. So they have one that cleans out your pores, one that's energizing, one that is kind of spa-ish, that makes you relax, and then one that brings extra moisturization to your skin. So a nice thing to give with this is our little masking spatula here. It's got a silicone top and they fit right inside of these pods, okay? But you can use this with any mask. You can use it with our charcoal or renewing gel mask. So this is a great little handy tool that you can use all year round. So one thing that I like to do for my customers who get the Mad About masking set is I also give them this free headband that goes with it. So I can wrap it all together for you, and if you want to include the spatula too, I can wrap them all together, or you know, you can just get them and wrap them how you would like to have them. All right, okay, what is the rest of have I covered everything except for our big kahuna gift this year is our 12 days of fave gift. Okay, so this is for someone like your wife or your sister or maybe a coworker, and it has 12 individually wrapped boxes that they get to open up for the 12 days or for the 12 days of Christmas. And so in each of these boxes is either a full-size product, a deluxe mini, or a deluxe sample, okay? So if you want to know more about what's in there, I do have some pictures that will tell you exactly what is in that box. Okay, just some really cute little ideas here that I have is one, we have of course our Shea Scrub Body Lotion, which is fantastic. And then I have a lipstick in here, which I thought was kind of cute, a little snow globe with a lipstick of your choice in there. And then we also have our liquid eyeshadows that are fantastic. Really love them. And you can get those, of course, separately or in a snow globe. We have our satin lip set, and this is a hot commodity this year. Our company has already, at least in our branch, is already sold out of the satin lip scrub. So this is the only one that I have left. So first come, first serve on that. And I also have a little to-go kit. I have 2 different liquid eyeshadows in here, a lipstick, and then I can also put our blush stick in there. So these are things that you would have in your purse where you can do your makeup on the go. And I say that our liquid eyeshadow is on the go because it actually has, I'll show you over here, a doe foot in there. And so you just dot it on your eye and then spread it out with your finger. And these are amazing. They have just a tiny bit of sparkle on them, and they stay on all day. They will not come off until you use your oil-free eye makeup remover to take them off at night. Okay, and then we also have our palettes, of course, that you can give as a present. Here I have our foil eyeshadows in here in the pink and the purple, and also the copper and pyrite. These are so much fun. These are limited edition also, and I do have a few of those left. The great thing about our compacts is that you can just replace the product and you don't lose the compact. So everything in here has a metal back, and this compact is magnetized so that it won't fall out, okay? So this is a great gift in and of itself. So you could actually give the compact itself and then give a gift certificate for them to, fill it up. This is our big pro palette here, and you could get a ton of stuff in here. This would make a great gift for a college student, and just let her build it over time, so this is a great gift, and they will keep forever. So that is an awesome thing to give, especially a college student. Okay, we also have our Satin Hands Shea hand wash, okay? So this helps keep your hands soft as we are washing our hands so much right now. And then in that spirit there, we also now have our Satin Hands hand sanitizer, which is fantastic. It's a spray, and so it's not sticky, it's not gloppy, and it doesn't dry out your hands, okay? So this is awesome. And we have, of course, our hydrogel eye patches, which I love. And this is, again, a great gift for somebody that has absolutely everything. And so they would really enjoy this. See right here, it has 30 different pairs of hydrogel eye patches in here. And this is just a great gift for anyone. If you keep them in the refrigerator, they feel extra good. And they just help with eye puffiness and eye dryness underneath your eyes. Okay, I will tell you that I have a couple of these sets already made up with our oil-free eye makeup remover. It has some bling on the top, which is fun. And then we also have our ultimate mascara with it. I can make these for you with any type of mascara that you want. If you don't want the ultimate, I actually have this one over here that has a waterproof mascara in it. And we have our Cityscape, which was a big seller last year. I only have 2 of these left. It's our Cityscape Dry Oil, where you put it on, and it is an oil, but it sinks into your skin, and so you don't feel oily, but it gives you a nice shine and a light scent of our Cityscape perfume. All right, I think besides our Nourishine, Unlimited Nourishine lip glosses there, which are great. I have on the Berry right now, but this iconic red is awesome. I love it. It's a great, great Christmas red. Goes with everything. So I think we got it all in there. So if you would love to come and look at my open house, just let me know and we can schedule a time for you just to come and look by appointment. Also, I'm having an open house outside of my house with some other friends next week on September 5th from 10 to 1 at my house. So if you need information about that, then let me know. And we're hoping to have other types of things there, like Usborne Books, Pampered Chef, one of my good friends that makes these fantastic t-shirts and children's clothes, and also a lady that makes bracelets. And then of course we'll have some sweet treats there that you can try, and also make an order for peanut butter balls and stuff like that, and banana breads and all those sorts of good things. So anyways, thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you have a great December, and we will see you soon.